If you own or manage a commercial building in Central PA, the truth is simple. Most roof problems come from the same few areas. And if you know what they are and what they cost to fix, you can save yourself a lot of time. Today, I'm breaking down the top repairs we handle, what they cost, and how to know when a repair is no longer the right move. The first and most common issue is penetration failure on membrane roofs. That includes rooftop units, pipe boots, and anything that passes through the membrane. When the flashing at these areas breaks down, leaks follow. These repairs usually fall between $1,200 and $3,500, depending on how much material needs removed and replaced. The second most common issue is drains. Internal drains are critical on a flat roof because ponding water will always find the lowest slopes. Drain repairs usually range from $800 to $2,500 depending on whether the drain needs patched or fully rebuilt. Next are loose seams. When a membrane ages, seams can begin separating. Fixing a small section may cost around $600. Long runs of failed seams can reach $4,500 or more because cover tape and material costs add up quickly. There are two other issues worth mentioning for commercial properties with sloped or mixed roof systems: flashing failures around walls and transitions, and aging components like ridge vents or metal details. Flashing repairs commonly fall between $1,500 and $2,500. Ridge vent work may start around $600 and climb, depending on length and complexity. Now the harder question: when does a roof stop being a candidate for repairs? If penetrations, seams, and drains are all failing across the system, or if moisture scans show more than 35% saturated insulation, repairs are no longer cost effective. At that point, the membrane has thinned, the insulation has lost R value, and the roof deck may be deteriorating. R value is just a rating that tells you how well insulation keeps heat from passing through it. Higher numbers means better insulation. When insulation gets wet, that rating drops to almost nothing, which is why moisture problems become so expensive to ignore. Preventing these problems is the part most owners and facility managers overlook. Routine cleanings, sealing penetrations, and removing loose debris all extend roof life. Annual maintenance plans start around $1,000. Larger buildings or higher frequency plans move into the $6,000 to $8,000 range. These costs are far lower than the major repairs and interior damage that come from waiting too long. Central PA weather adds to the pressure as well. Freeze-thaw cycles, standing snow, and seasonal storms accelerate wear on flat and metal systems. Older buildings with internal drain lines or unusual construction often require more skill to service and diagnose. If you want a clear picture of what your roof really needs, or if you want real numbers before planning your facility budget, reach out to our team here at Equity Commercial Roofing. We'll walk the roof with you, document every issue, and give you a plan that protects the building and your budget. Thanks for watching.